Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check the warranty status of your HP laptop or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. Doesn't really matter to me. And I'm going to have a link to an HP support page in the description of my video here, guys. So you can go ahead at this point, just type in your serial number on your computer. It should be on the back of the laptop on the bottom. And if it's on the desktop, it should be on a sticker on your computer as well. So pretty straightforward. Just would enter that information in right here, and then you just would submit it, and it would tell you all of your warranty or service information pretty quickly. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.